If you want to master windshield repair or anything in life, one key thing that will help you is repetition. That's right, repetition is key. This is because if you constantly do something every day, you'll be able to get ideas about it every day, and it tells you what's working and what's not. So repetition is key when trying to master anything in life. So you might ask yourself, how does this work with windshield repair? Well, say no more. Keep working at your windshield repair process, because the more repairs you do, the quicker it becomes automatic and second nature. Also, you need to work on your sales pitch, because repetition is what fosters mastery. So there you have it, a quick tip on repetition, because repetition is key. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us.